Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just wanted to make a really quick review of my Revlon ColorSilk Permanent Hair Dye. I've been using it as an affordable solution to dye my hair from black to this color for several years now, and the color has come out consistently as desired every time. If you're Asian like me or have naturally dark black hair as well, the secret to dyeing your hair light brown from black without having to use bleach is to pick one of the Revlon ColorSilk colors that are of the lighter variety. The lighter the intended color, the more light brown your hair will be. In order to achieve this, I personally use the Revlon ColorSilk 03 shade, which is intended for ultra light sun blonde. Each box comes with 3 items total. The first 2 being the 2 parts of the formula that are intended to be kept separate until use. The third part being a deep conditioner that you should use immediately after you're done dyeing your hair. And then of course it will contain the set of instructions and some plastic gloves attached that you can use for the dyeing process. To use it, all you have to do is cut the tip off the first formula bottle, mix the 2 parts of the formula together, shake it, and start applying it to your hair. For my own shorter hairstyle, I tend to apply it first starting at the back, then going to the sides, followed by the top and the fronts. When applying it, make sure to start at your roots and pull gently outwards, massaging it through your hair instead of putting it directly into your scalp and rubbing it in to avoid any potential skin irritation and to make sure that the color gets applied evenly. After you're done applying it, all you have to do is wait for a total of 20 to 45 minutes. 45 minutes if you use one of the blonde hair dyes. Wash it out of your hair, use the deep conditioner that the package comes with, and you should be good to go. If you have a shorter hairstyle like me, one pro tip you can use to save some money would be to put half of the formula aside in a separate bottle before you begin mixing it so that you can use one box for 2 applications. Once you mix it, you do end up having quite a lot of formula solutions, so I find that half of the bottle is enough to cover my hair every time. Again, I have been using Revlon ColorSilk for several years now, and it is my go-to hair dyeing formula, so try it out for yourself and you won't regret it.